Hello, everyone. It's another day, another beautiful day for prayer. This is a portrait, a painting that's in the area, that's in the dining room of the place that I'm staying. Of course, I promise to show you different locations every single time that we pray and have time together. So I am excited to see everyone who's going to be on the call today. Today it is 7:15. You know what that means? It's prayer time with that Hoodoo lady. Thank you for being able to join with me today. Today has been an odd one because I'm noticing that the longer I'm staying in, the more restless I'm getting. So I found this cool thing. It's called Good Heavens. Hello, Liz. I found this cool little thing in this Airbnb. It's called Good Heavens, Comets, Meteors, and Other Neat Sky Stuff. So I just think that's the funniest thing ever. The stuff that I find in this Airbnb keeps me excited, keeps me inspired, keeps me uplifted. So I found that. And then I also found this other thing called, hold on, there's so many different there's so many different cool little things that she has around here, but she has an Airbnb magazine from Italy, which I think is funny. But anyway, all right, let's go ahead and get started. So today we are going to focus on the wonderness that is playing cards. Now, I don't know how many of you guys have just a regular set of playing cards hanging around, not doing anything during this time of distancing, social distancing. What I want you to do is sometime today, sometime before we meet again on Friday, I want you to take out your playing cards and shuffle them around and come up with what is going to be the focus of your prayer. So today I already did a shuffle, and when I did my shuffle, I came up with 10 of hearts and 3 of hearts, which is kind of important to me. So 10 of hearts and 3 of hearts. I mean, you could say lucky number 13, which in Hoodoo is definitely a lucky number. You could say that 13 goes down and boils down in numerology to 4. You could say that. You could say that 10 in playing card divination and also in tarot is the completion of one cycle, the beginning of another. Now, the other thing that's different is the 3 of hearts is a little different than it is in tarot. If you think of tarot cards, the 3 of hearts is usually what, right? It's usually some kind of turmoil or heartbreak or something to some when they read it. And Hoodoo, when I see a 3 of hearts, I think of an ultimate trinity of divination. So when I think of the 3 of hearts, I think of 3 spirits focused on being one. And so when I think of the completion of 3 spirits being into one, I think, wow, that's what today's prayer is going to be about, and that's what we're going to call in. But more importantly, that's what our inspiration is for today. Today, we are focusing on calling in the 3 deities, whatever those emphasis are, whatever those spiritual guides are for you, we're going to call them in today. And we're going to ask them to watch over us, to watch over our completion, to help them understand that we do see the completion, that we are ready to take those next steps to get better. We're ready to accept what is happening. We're ready to accept that this is only a stage in life that we all have signed up for, that we did a contract with many, many generations ago. And now we're ready to complete that whole wave of life, which I'm excited about. And then I also want to recognize the 3 deities that are speaking to us, that are asking us to recognize that they are working in our lives, that they are changing things for the better, that they are making our wisdom, our knowledge, our encouragement, our inspiration, our uplifting. They are encouraging us every single time that we pray again, every single time that we uplift again, every single time that we do anything else in our wisdom and in our life. The Three of Hearts keeps us going. It's our grounding force. It's what we need to be able to keep us moving forward. So as you look at the 10, then you're going to look at the 3. Then I want you to reach back into your divination, your tradition, whatever that is. Open up your mind and your wisdom to that. And let's start asking for guidance and freedom at this time to be able to understand with our hearts what is being said, what is being asked, and what we need to do next. Maybe the next thing that we need to do is nothing. Maybe the next thing we need to do is just observe. Maybe the next thing we need to do is help our neighbors. Maybe the next thing we need to do is stay home. Maybe the next thing we need to do is start learning how to order things online and having them delivered as opposed to trying to go out for the day. Maybe we need to just walk outside and distance ourselves for others, but still be part of nature. Whatever it is that's calling us for that, I want us to open ourselves, get ready for that, encourage each other to become better and better and better, no matter what physical space we're in. We can be in this physical space, in this physical form, maybe bored, maybe watching a whole bunch of TV, maybe trying not to eat cookies, but the important thing is that we're doing this together and we're going to make it through together. And I'm so excited and inspired by every one of you that comes on every time that we do a prayer or invite somebody by going into the comments and using their names so that we can see them again and again and again. I really do think that all of the time that we reach out and just acknowledge something bigger than ourselves, we are doing something for humanity that's never been done before. And that is that Mother Earth is replenishing the earth. It is making things as clean as it possibly can. And that means that there could be loss. That also means that there could be more new seeds planted every single day. And I think that's exactly what's happening. So I encourage you all to think of the 10 and 3, or even get out your cards, do a nice shuffle, and build your own prayer using your playing cards. Pick out a couple of cards, see what they mean to you, and then pray in the manner that they call to you. I really hope that this will make a difference for you and give you a different idea, a different way to pray this time. All right. Thank you all for joining. See, that was only 5 minutes, but it seemed like longer, right? But I hope in a great way. You all enjoy the rest of your Wednesday, and I will see you Friday. We're trying to make sure that we have a special guest, but if that doesn't work out, then I will be here with another prayer for you. I haven't decided on what the topic is, so if there's topics you want me to talk about, then put that in the comment section as well. Again, if you have anything that you need to talk about, you want a reading, anything, go to info.please@thathoodoolady.com or follow me right back on Instagram or look for me on That Hoodoo Lady on Facebook. I hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday night. Bye. Until next time.